If you have applied for the Vibe2Ship coding hackathon and confused how to submit your project and create it, so in this video we'll cover that thing only, complete step-by-step guide. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Coming over here directly to the main page, here you have to simply click on create project. Now mention your project name as we have created a study companion. Okay. Now from here what you have to do, you have to click on the problem statement which you have built. Whichever you have built, you have to select from the drop down, click on save and next. Now here you have to add a deployed application link, click on add link, mention app over here, right? Now here I'll find the app link, just go to the Google AI Studio. Okay. From here, let me just show you. You have to come to the AI Studio apps. I'll share the link in the description, do not worry about it. Go to my apps, go to your app directly, click on publish button. From here, just copy this URL. Now what you have to do, come back again, paste the URL over here. Now here you have to add the project description. Just type tech over here. Okay. And here we have to add a link, right? We have to add the link of the Google Doc which we have created in the previous demo video. I'll share the link in the description. From there you can check it out. Click on share. Make sure anyone with the link is selected. Copy this link. Paste over here. Now comes the GitHub repository. So I'll find the GitHub repository. You have to simply come to your GitHub profile, go to the repository section. From here, select your project, copy the URL, come over here, paste it, and simply click on create. Now make sure to check these two toggles, continue. Okay. Now from here, if you want to modify some things over here, click on this pencil icon. You can mention the project details, problem statement, save and next. All the details you can mention, and then you can update it if you want. It is private or public. Okay, so it's public only, right? Do not click on it. Update over here. You can see before you final submit. Okay, before you click on final submit, make sure to verify all the things. Otherwise, you won't be able to modify the files, including changing of links. So this is the thing I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead. And if you want a project in different track also, you can say I'll cover that also. If you want, comment down below. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.